Back at the Speedway, and it's raining again. Day 2. But going back to the suites, so we'll try and have some fun. I'm one big ass fan.
Looks like they're gonna race.
They'll get the whole thing in.
Some activity on pit road.
Everybody side by side, all the way back through the field. Nobody getting any significant jump, good or bad here. At the bottom of the racetrack, continues to take the advantage. Time going out by a fender.
13 laps to go in stage 2 of this race.
Stage 2.
With the restrictor plates, they don't have the horsepower to pull out by themselves and just be faster. No one stepping out into 3-wide formation. Why do you put that on? Because they go too fast to put them off. They'd be running probably 230, 235, and it would just be unsafe. Yeah. Just be unsafe.
Thought about it off of turn number 4, but fell back in line. Currently in fourth position and traveling.
He was the first of the drivers because he was the first comeback off pit road. And again, Ty cycling back around the 15th position.
Some of those cars that were among the top 14. These cars on pit road set to resume here at Daytona with Elliott Sadler.
Tremendous race driver Elliott Sadler, he gets away clean. He'll lead the battle for second with Dick Renfrew on the inside. And Sadler, Junior Motorsports teammate Justin Allgaier on the outside.
You get some good footage from up here.
And behind them, they're looking green.
What are all these people wearing?
Punches up on the back straightaway. Elliott Sadler has been able to break free of the mayhem, but they are side by side. Oh, Sadler throws a block. Across the nose of
Did you have a nice time?
Thank you all very much for going out.
12 lead changes among 7 drivers in this race. Lap number 58. The green checkered flag to signify Elliott Sadler winning this stage of the race.
When I came down before, I was like, you can't imagine that.
I know it got stopped under this caution flag and all restarting inside of the top 10. Drivers did make pit stops. Eventually back to the line. They go now. They first off the pit lane. He's going to spend the flight back up to 19th position. But again, still a
Huh?
William Byron.
Oh, 890 had those truckers
The guy only gave something
Wow, he's got hung out to dry.
Victorious here today.
Outstanding performance here this afternoon. Kept that show out of 125 outstanding.
Burning those tires up.
Keep on going. Keep on going. Yeah, probably down there.
Victory Lane. stage is set. Some Rolexes from around the world.
To the inside of the racetrack, led by Ricky Stenhouse. Trevor Main is in second. Now the side-by-side battle is for third. Kevin Harvick outside Daniel Suarez.
Turn 4, they fan out 3 wide behind race leader. Kevin Harvick is coming out of the start-finish line. Ricky
Daniel Suarez is up front.
That's where they're at everything.
Receiving good? He's a good guy. He is. I've been wondering. He's still there. Florida should have kept him.
This is the first time I came down here.
Really?
It's a little eerie.
RBI baseball?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's twice. You ride around on tires or
It might be Casey Mears. Or out on
Ty Dillon.
Both his main teammates, Brad Keselowski and Joey Logano, but he does. goes Shaw.
23rd, Trevor May. 25th, Ryan Blaney. 26th, 27th, Bush. 28th, Kyle Larson. 29th, and Reed Sorensen was 30th.
Keeping at 31st, Dale Earnhardt Jr. was 32nd, Kevin Harvick 33rd, Martin Truex Jr. 34th, Joey Logano 35th, Austin Dillon 36th, Jeffrey Earnhardt 37th, DJ Kennington was 38th, Cole Witt 39th, Ryan C. 39th.
Probably get all their material from Taiwan.
Championship point standings before we go to victory lane. Lawson still leads by 18. Truex is third. This Kevin Harvick fifth.
So that was a little taste of what the Daytona infield and racetrack is like. Next time it'll be more focused on the infield. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Keep looking out for more, and don't get lost.